Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to do another quick one before the end of the day, just with a message. Be careful. Yeah, my view from the previous video is unchanged. In fact, we reacted to this trend line that I showed you in the last video very nicely. We came down. Yeah, I told you that with that latest high here, it's a pretty obvious one that we probably can't draw another trend line. And as we moved up here, yeah, I did draw that trend line and said there's a good chance we get rejected here. A breakout above that level, above this trend line, will actually be a more bullish signal. But for now, we remain caught here in a kind of a triangle pattern, or at least moving towards an apex. I think tomorrow we could see a breakout. You know why? Because today obviously was Labor Day in the US, wasn't it? So you had a bit of a quiet day anyway. No real impulses from the stock market. I think tomorrow could become a really interesting day. For now, however, I'm still of the view that there is a good chance, it's highly probable, that we will see a continuation here to the downside, not necessarily below $17,600. That's far away from being confirmed. But even if we do, it is what it is, and we're going to see lower lows. We never excluded that possibility. Therefore, we have the bearish wave count as well. We don't want to get caught out. I think at the moment it is important to understand what the Bitcoin chart is capable of doing in each scenario. What are the key breakout points? From which point of view do we expect certain moves to occur? At the moment here, with the primary expectation would be indeed that we go down lower. I mean, ideally we hold above the 18.9k level. That would still be a bullish signal to hold it. If we drop below that, it is what it is again, and the key support levels here would be 18.5k and 17.6, of course, yeah. But if we go down to 17.6, it is just very unlikely that we're going to hold the bullish scenario. Why do I say it's likely to see another low? Two reasons. I mean, not necessarily below the 17.6k level, but certainly below 19.5k. The reason is we can't really get off the ground. We see here a bearish pennant or bear flag. We're getting squeezed into an apex. It would suggest a trend continuation of this downtrend here. And also looking really, I mean, this is micro counting, you know, we do that, but and these get invalidated often. But I told you before that this could very well have been a triangle pattern, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, we then saw that impulse to the downside occurring, and we saw the wave 2 correction. This so far is a valid count. And now here this looks like a first wave of the third wave. Why? Because, and again, this is micro counting, but we can see 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, no overlap, and a 5. Yeah, so 5 waves down, and then here a retracement that obviously did not exceed the beginning of that wave down. And yeah, we pulled back to the 78.6% fib level. Yeah, okay, you know, in sort of a wave 1 and a wave 2 of the wave 3. So I think we need to be ready for a move down. Yeah, prepare for it. Be ready. Don't be caught out. If we drop below that low here at 19,580, this low, this would be a breakout. And I think it could smash us down quite quickly into the region, first of all, of 18.9k. And if we lose it, it will be around the $18,500 mark. So this is where we are in the short term, you know, irrespective of any higher level wave count. But this is, we can't ignore this. So be aware. Yeah, this would be invalidated if the market is capable of moving above $20,000 or $20,050. Yeah, then this would for now reduce the risk of a move down. First of all, we would break out of the triangle to the upside, would take out that wave 2 high. That will eliminate the imminent threat, and then the market needs to move above the 20,160 level. That wave 4 high will be an important indication that the low is in here actually. And then lastly, we need to break out above the 20,570 level, and then we can take the journey towards 22 to 23k. But these are the key levels. This I think is very relevant. Keep an eye on that. And so far the plan is working out, but how long this takes, I don't know. Could very well take this sideways movement until at some point tomorrow when the stock market is opening. in the US. So be aware and be prepared for some more sideways movement before we probably come down. That's it. But you know, a support level is support as long as it's holding. So we can't really be sure that it's going to come down. It's just the indications are there, right? And we just need to prepare for it. You know, your risk management needs to reflect that, and so on. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.